Resolution number 216-2025, a resolution amending Resolution number 152-11, series of 2025, entitled A Resolution Authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Victor Mares and Soto to grant social welfare assistance to all qualified officials, employees, and workers of the City Government of Pasig and for other purposes.
152. Mr. Presiding Officer, may we refer the proposed resolution number 152 to the Committee on Appropriation, Ways and Means, Your Honor.
To the Committee on Appropriations, Ways and Means.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer, dahil ito po ay certified urgent, may we proceed to the
Please
reading
proceed.
of the report. Councilor Laura Mara Martinez, please to be recognized, Your Honor.
The Honorable Mauro Martirez recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the amendment of the proposed resolution number 152.
216, sorry.
Amendment of Resolution 152 now, the resolution number 216 po sa atin pong record. Ito po ay may kinalaman sa social welfare assistance para po sa mga kawani ng lokal na pamahalaan. Ang nilalaman po nito, ang nais lang pong amyandahan ng bagong resolution ay ang dalawang sections po. First, on Section 1, ang all officials and employees of the city government of Pasig, regardless of the status of employment, shall be entitled to social welfare assistance equivalent to 1 month of their basic salary, subject to provisions Section 3 and 4. Ang nais ko lang pong idagdag po dito, Mr. Presiding Officer, na ang katumbas po na sahod ng mas mababa po sa 20,000 pesos, ang magiging baseline po nito ay 20,000 pesos na po. So ang ilalagay lang po after po ng basic salaries are subject to provision of Section 3 and 4, and the baseline will be 20,000 pesos. And it will be subject to form and style pa po, Mr. Presiding Officer. At panibago pa pong nakalagay po sa proposed resolution number 216 ay ang job order po and contract of service po ng mga empleyado po natin na makaka-receive po na nakalagay po dito ay 15,000 and 10,000 respectively, ay may increase na po to 20,000 po parehas. Ang job orders and contract of service rin po natin ay makaka-receive rin po ng social welfare assistance mula sa ating lungsod na 20,000 pesos. Ganun rin po ang amendment na gagawin po sa Section 2. That will be subject to form and style, Mr. Presiding Officer. And that's the entirety of my report, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we open the period of interpolation, Mr. Presiding.
Any questions?
Mr. Presiding Officer, nililinaw ko lang po na 20,000 pa rin po ang makukuha ng ating pong mga empleyado na ang basic ano lang po nila is 14,000. Tama po. Para malinaw lang din po sa record dahil mayroong nalilito na
Okay
7,000 lang po dapat, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, please
Yes, Mr.
respond.
Presiding. Ito pong social welfare assistance po natin, ito ay naging katumbas ng isang buwan na sweldo ng bawat empleyado. Ang ginawa po nating amendment dito, dahil may mga sumasahod po ng mas mababa sa 20,000, lahat po sila ay makaka-receive na pinakamababa po ay 20,000 pesos. Ngayon naman po, for the job order po and contract of service na noon ay 15,000 and 10,000, mag-increase na rin po to 10,000 pesos. At 20,000 pesos po, Mr. Presiding Officer, hindi na 10 and 15, bali 20,000 pesos parehas na po ang job order po natin at yung contract of service po natin.
Yun. Pasko na, Mr. Presiding Officer. Wala na po akong tanong para malinaw lang po. Baka mamaya magkaroon pa po ng karagdagan tanong sa sanggunian. Yun lang po, Mr. Presiding
Okay,
Officer.
any other questions?
Mr. Presiding Officer, with no more questions, I move that we close the period of interpolation.
Any objections? Hearing none, period of interpolation is closed.
Humihirit pa sila. Kung may dagdag pa rin, wala na yata. Mr. Presiding Officer, I moved that we open the period of amendment and also its termination. Wala na pong katanungan.
Any amendments? Any objections? Hearing none, period of amendment is closed.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Now, I would like to request this august body for the approval of proposed resolution number 216, series of 2025, to its second and also its final reading.
Okay, there's a motion to approve proposed resolution number 216, series of 2025, on its second and final reading. Any objections? Hearing none, 216 is approved.
Maraming salamat po.
Merry Christmas sa ating mga empleyado. Next.
Proposed ordinance number 73-75, an ordinance expanding the Balik Aral Scholarship Program.